Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my mains and goals for German Big Cube Open 2018. So starting off, we have 3x3. As you may know, I'll be using the Ganner SM because I really like the magnet strength and I can control this cube, and it's also the newest cube I bought and it's also my main since then. Average, I want a 15-second average and a 14-second single. That would be nice. Next we have 4x4. For 4x4 I'm going to be using the Chi Wu Chui. It's not that good, but it's okay, and since I'm not that fast it works. And I want a 2-minute average and a sub 2 single, I guess. Next up is Pyraminx. For this event I'll be using the Moyu Pyraminx, the Moyu magnetic one. And I have practiced Pyraminx for a while and I average around 15 and I want to get a sub 10 single. Next event is Cube. Here I'll also be using the Moyu Magnetics Cube. I want a 20, sub 20 average and a sub 15 single. And the last event is OH. For this event I'll be using the GTS2M. This is a good cube because it's small but not too small and it's controllable. So yeah, I want a 50-second average and a sub 45 single. Those are my mains and goals for German Big Cube Open 2018. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.